Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
What's my rank review? Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we will talk about this new WordPress plugin called What's My Rank. So as you can see on the sales page, it says this 100% automated software tracks all your Google rankings and shows them right inside your website. No more manual tracking your rankings, zero manual work, never pay monthly fees or for rank tracking software ever again. Okay, so this is only a WordPress plugin. That means first of all the requirement is you are supposed to have a WordPress website, okay, and you are supposed to be creating content on your website, and that means you should be doing SEO for your own website or maybe for your client's website. So you need to have a lot of things in place. So first of all, you need to be a guy who knows things about SEO, and also you need to be a guy who is managing websites, personal or maybe client's website, okay. And then you can use this plugin to track your rankings. Now what are rankings? Ranking means that for how many keywords your website is ranking in Google on page 1 and page 2, okay. So if you are watching this review, so I'm expecting that either you're a subscriber and you're watching the review just for curiosity, otherwise you are trying to do some more research about this product, What's My Rank plugin, okay. So it's a tool which you can always use if you are into SEO, and it's a very basic sales page, nothing fancy here. Ankur Shukla, he is the software creator or the plugin creator, so he has been launching these kind of plugins, and again he is making a lot of money, which is fine, which is good, because I tell in my videos that you can still make a lot of money by doing right things as well, by launching some genuine software as well, okay. So let me go ahead and prove this to you, because if I go to his profile, you can see here, and if I click on this, so you will see that he is launching some genuine products. This is a plugin, this is a plugin, this is a plugin. So everything is a plugin, and he is making 2,000 sales, 500 sales, 500, 250, 500. So the point is you can still make money by launching some genuine softwares. That's what I try to tell people. So you don't have to scam anybody to make money online, because there's huge money to be made if you are making something genuine as well, okay. But anyways, coming back to this plugin What's My Rank. So here if I scroll down, you'll find some demo. This is the demo video, okay, and you can play the demo video. Otherwise I will leave the demo link in the description below. So if you click on show more below my description, you will find this link which says watch What's My Rank demo, and then you can play the demo and you can watch the video in your own time, okay. And how can this software help you? So it's 100% automated rank tracking, zero effort. So see, in SEO you have to buy some software to track your results, okay. So you have to track how many keywords you're ranking for, how many backlinks you have made, how many referring domains you have. There are so many things. If you are a SEO guy or a SEO agency, you know what I'm talking about. And normally you have to pay for those tools monthly, and the couple of tools which are very common is SEMrush, 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 and personally what I use, Ahrefs, AHREF, this one, okay, this one here. So I personally use this one. This is a paid tool. They charge you like $100 per month, okay. These tools are very costly, all right. So what this tool or with this plugin is going to do for you, it's not going to do much. It is only going to tell you for which websites, for which keywords your website might be ranking in top 3 pages of Google, okay. So let me show you the demo here. As you can see, it has got What's My Rank on the bottom left. This is the plugin which is installed on a WordPress website, and if you fast forward the demo, here you can see the dashboard, latest rankings, add keyword, manual updates. So let's go ahead and see. So domain name, it will be your website domain name, okay, and then you have to type in your keywords here, 1 keyword per line. So for example, you're targeting 10 keywords, so you want to rank you want to rank for how to train dogs, how to train cats, how to train pets, whatever your keyword is. Type in all those keywords in this box, and then you click on add keyword, and after that choose that which website or which search engine actually you are targeting. Are you targeting google.com or google.co.uk, or you are in some other country? So target your own local google.com. If you're in Australia, you can target google.com.au. so you can choose the Google version that in which country you are, okay. and after that you simply go ahead and it says keyword inserted. So after that you will click on manual update. So first time, if you have to check your latest rankings, you will have to click on this option which shows latest rankings. But for the first time you will need to click on manual update. Okay, so once you hit manual update, after that it will show you that are you ranking for any keyword or not. So for example, their website is only ranking for one keyword, which is one click podcaster, and it's ranking at number 3. Okay, similarly, if your website will be ranking in top 3 pages, then you will see the position here. Otherwise it will be showing greater than 100. Okay, and if anything, if your website is ranking on the 15th page or on the 12th page, then no SEO tool will show you the rankings. Your website, your keywords need to rank under 100, under 100 search engine, under 100 search queries, and under 100 under 10 search pages. Okay, so let me show you the example here. So if you go back to Google, right, so Google here, okay, so Google displays 10 results on one page. Okay, so this, all these things which from top to bottom, what you see here, it's called one page. Okay, and then you can see here Google has up to 8. Normally Google will show you up to 10. Okay, so if your website is not showing in 1, 2, 3, 4, if your website is not showing anywhere until 10, then this tool will not show that website in the rankings. Okay, which is justified, which is logical, because all the tools will never track your website, will never track or trace your website if it is beyond 100. Okay, so that's it, nothing much here, nothing fancy. And let's talk about the pricing here. The pricing is that, let's go to the products here and see. Right, so this license which is gonna give you a single site. So if you want to track the keywords for one single site, you'll have to pay them $19, and if you want multiple sites, then pay them $22. If you want unlimited sites, then pay them $27. Okay, and if you want some upgrade, whatever, okay, so once you buy the front end, you will be taken through all the upgrades, and then you can check all the features on those sales pages. If they have agency license as well, which means that you can sell this plugin to your clients as well if you are a digital marketing company. And this is the unlimited license in $42, and this is the 100 client sites license in $32. Okay, so whatever, this is a simple tool, nothing fancy, nothing much to talk about. That's why this review is going to be very, very short. I think this will be the shortest review on my channel. But anyways, yes, if you have a need, right, what do we have here? So it's multiple license 22. So I think people will always go for 22 because this 19 is only giving them single site. So obviously it makes sense. You add $3 more and you buy the unlimited multi-site in 22. Obviously it makes sense, right? So yes, it's a very basic WordPress plugin, nothing fancy about this. If you are into SEO, if you need to track your website or your client's website every day, if you're a freelancer, you are a digital marketing company, whosoever you are, if you have a need to track your rankings every day, then grab the copy. Okay, buy this if you need this. Otherwise, I don't think it has much of the usage because it's not doing anything on autopilot except it's tracking your rankings. Okay, so it's not like it's gonna post some content, it's gonna create some websites, no, nothing like that. Just that whatever you are doing, whatever SEO work you are doing, it is only going to go ahead and try to track your rankings on daily basis every 24 hours. And if your websites are not ranking within 10 pages of Google, then there's no point of using this tool, because see, first of all, you have to get your keywords ranked under 10 pages of Google. Okay, once your keyword starts ranking, then maybe you can go ahead and use this tool and see your rankings every day. Okay, so this is for those people who are into blogging, into website, into SEO, but this has got nothing to do with make money online for sure. And if you really want to make money online, then guys, you can check out the first 2 links in the description below. One says make money with cash jacking, that stands for keep it simple stupid, and it's for totally beginners who do not know nothing about the internet. And in that you can learn how to make money on YouTube without doing blogging, because blogging takes time, it takes like many years. So yes, you can check out the first link in the description below, and then you can understand how to make real money online. And also there is a second link, if you click on show more, it says my #1 recommendation to create full-time income online, and that is for all those people who wants to create a full-time income on the internet. So full-time means that you work on the internet for 1 to 2 years, and then you do not have to worry about making money online for next 50 years. Okay, so go ahead and check out the first 2 links in the description below, and then you will understand how to make real money online. All right, and in the end here, we're gonna go ahead and talk about some bonuses. All right, now before you go to this website called idplr.com, as you can see at the top, now before you open this website, make sure you go to the videos of other YouTubers whosoever is offering you a bonus, okay? Now, I do not have a problem if somebody is offering you some bonuses, that is fine. But I do have a problem when somebody is putting a price tag on those bonuses, okay? So somebody's might, he's might gonna say that I'm giving you a $10,000 bonus. Somebody might say it's a $20,000 bonus. Somebody might say a random number, okay? So that's where my problem is, because who gave you the right to put a price tag on those bonuses, okay? Did you spend those $10,000 to buy those bonuses, and then are you offering for free? So if you purchase those bonuses for $10,000, then why don't you do me a favor, go ahead and transfer me those $10,000 bonuses and keep those softwares to yourself, okay? So leave these kind of comments below the videos, whosoever is giving you a $10,000, $20,000 bonus, okay? So tell them, hey buddy, I've seen your video, I have seen your review, and you're offering so many bonuses, so do me a favor, instead of giving me these PLR or ebooks or softwares, why don't you go ahead and transfer me that money into my bank account, or just PayPal me that money, okay? So leave these kind of comments, have some fun, because you need to tell them that you know what they are doing, okay? Show them the mirror that you can't do this anymore in 2021 now, okay? Everybody is being smart. You have to be alert on the internet and stop worrying about bonuses. But because I'm giving you this website called idplr.com, and there are many more other websites similar to this which you can go ahead and search about. And once you find all those websites, or let's say once you go onto this one, idplr.com, you go to the section called free products. Under free products, you have free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audio, free graphics, free templates, okay? Now, whatever you want from here, you can click on that category. If you want some free ebooks, if you want some free software, if you want some free videos, whatever you want, click on that category. Then you will see all those free ebooks, and then before you can download them, all you will need to do is you'll have to click on here on the top right, which says register for free. So register for free, create an account on this website, then log in, and once you're logged in, then you can download all these products totally for free, okay? There's no charge. And then from now on, you can be a bonus producer, okay? So stop looking for bonuses. From now on, you can throw away these bonuses on the faces of those people who are offering you bonuses, okay? So if this is only one website I'm giving you, you can do your own research and find more websites similar to this, okay? And that is how you can collect as many bonuses you want. You can use them personally if you want to, or you can start offering some bonuses from today onwards, okay? So this is all about bonuses. Now in the end, we'll talk about the real deal here. The real deal is that how to get your YouTube channel monetized, okay? Because we are focusing on making money on the internet using YouTube, because YouTube is very powerful, right? I'll tell you why you should use YouTube, because YouTube, gives you multiple income streams, okay? First income stream is that if your channel is monetized, then you make money with the YouTube, ad revenue. YouTube pays you for all the ads which will, come up within your video, okay? So that's one income stream which is major, that, okay, you run, you get your channel monetized, and then you run some ads within your videos, and then you will get paid by YouTube. That's very good, okay? Second method is that if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can promote some products in the description of your videos, and if you get some sales, that's your second source of income, okay? Third is if you are a consultant, okay? If you, let's say you're an accountant, you're a lawyer, you're a plumber, whatever you are, right? So you can offer your services to people online, or maybe to somebody locally in your area. So they will find you on YouTube, they'll come across your video, they will see what which services you're offering or what kind of consultation you're offering, and if they're interested, they will contact you, and that is how you can charge them. So this will be the third source of income, okay? Now, I do not know any other platform which gives you multiple sources of income, at least 3 sources, okay? So YouTube gives you that. If you don't do affiliate marketing, if you do not have any services or product to offer, then you still make money with YouTube ad revenue, okay? So until and unless your channel is not monetized, till then you can do affiliate marketing and try to get some sales or try to offer some consultation services. And once your channel gets monetized, then you open that third source of income as well, which is YouTube ad revenue. Okay, that is why we talk about getting your YouTube channel monetized, right? Now if you're struggling to get those 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, or you want to start a new channel altogether, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because we'll talk about how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 1 to 2 weeks, organically, ethically, and legally. And also we have something for those people who are not able to make YouTube videos for some reason, okay? Because we have to understand here, not everybody can come and speak in the mic, or not everybody is coming is comfortable in coming front of the camera, right? So it's, YouTube may not be for everyone, I can understand, because you will have your restrictions, you will have your limitations, right? So you may not want to come on YouTube for whatever reason. So in that case, we have an option for you. You can do all this in the back end, okay? Backend means that whatever I'm doing right now on YouTube in video format, you can do all that in text format, and that's called blogging reviews, okay? So blogging reviews means that whatever I'm telling you right now, so you can write all that on your website, and you don't have to speak, you don't have to come on the camera. You simply write a review on your website, you publish your review on the website, and whenever somebody reads your review, they will click on the affiliate links in between the blocks, in between your review page. And when they click on those links and when they buy something, you will get some affiliate commissions, okay? And this has to be a long-term strategy, because when it comes to blogging takes time. So it will be long-term, but you have to start from somewhere, okay? So we will show you how to get those reviews, because when I say write the reviews, you don't really have to write anything from your your own end or your own mind. I'll show you how to find the reviews from the internet, then make them unique, and then publish them on your website and blog. And that is how you can go ahead and write so many reviews every day, and eventually within a month or so, or 2, 2, 3, 4, whatever time duration will be, within in the long term, within 6 months or so, you will start getting results. Like you will start getting 1 or 2 sales every day if you work hard, okay? So this is how you have to implement the strategy. If you can work on YouTube, very good, okay? Then contact us and then watch the video till the end. And if you can't do YouTube videos for whatever reason, then choose blogging reviews, okay? So now watch this video till the end. This is going to be very crucial to you. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and do subscribe to this channel as well.